Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Monday Coffee with Appfire. In this episode, we will talk about custom fields in Atlas, Codegeist Unleashed submissions, new rule builder for automation, weekly events roundup. Then we will move to the early access program, which is a new Jira email notification customization experience. Then we will talk about Compass that is now in general availability. And finally, we will move to the article of the week, community growth at Atlassian.
Hi everyone.
Hello.
Look who's back from her Tokyo, Japan holidays.
Yes,
It's
Nikki. I bought so many kimonos and I realized I don't have kimono on me, so next time. But I did get my Halloween nail done, so happy Halloween to everyone who is celebrating.
right. I'm Biro.
And I'm Nikki from Appfire. Appfire helps teams collaborate more effectively with the apps that make work flow. So we have a lot to chew through. Thank you so much to Faith and Sergey who were subbing for me, but I'm back full strength. So I'm going to be starting with the first topic, which is that Atlas introduced a new feature. You can now add custom fields to projects and goals in Atlas. This allows you to customize Atlas with your own terms, making reporting on projects easier. For example, you can add custom fields like department, budget, and sponsor. Plus, they are included also in your weekly updates to make sure that they're always up to date. Super useful, especially for goal setting.
Yeah, we love them custom fields.
More custom fields, yes, please. So,
more power.
what's next on the list?
Right, get ready for Atlassian's Codegeist Unleashed, the annual developer hackathon with just 1 day left to enter. The competition ends on October 4th, tomorrow, at 11:45 EDT, offering participants a shot at $172,500 in prizes. Craft innovative AI apps on Atlassian's Forge platform for a chance to win big. Prizes include cash rewards, event tickets, and developer swag packs. Don't miss your opportunity to showcase your AI-powered project and potentially change the game in app development. If you haven't already, a reminder for you to submit your project and participate to this awesome competition.
I can't wait to see what's going to come from the Codegeist hackathon. It's going to be really interesting. All the AI apps.
AI and Forge, a powerful
Yes.
combination.
Yes. Well, I have really interesting improvement to talk about. I think you are going to love it. So, Automation Rule Builder is getting a new fresh UI. The new design will bring a clearer rule flow visibility, making it easier to create, edit, and reorder rule components. Sidebar component details to reduce scrolling, and extra essential features are all in one place, like for example, quick save, options, rule toggles, and audit logs. This improved Rule Builder will be rolled out across all Jira products, which is Jira, Confluence, Jira Service Management, Jira Work Management by the end of the year, so stay tuned. I looked at it and I was like, wow, you're gonna love it because that automation is getting more and more visual. It feels like you can touch it, so yeah, definitely check it out.
Yeah, I've always been a fan of Zapier and automation workflow.
Very similar.
I don't know if people know about n8n.io. I remember we deployed that on one of our servers and we were using it internally to automate a lot of stuff. So
yeah, you can kind of pick it up and like drag and drop the rules. Well, automation for Jira or like for Atlassian products, it got into Confluence as well now. So it's getting more and more kind of like user friendly, and the UI is like there and you almost feel like you can touch it. So yeah, definitely check it out.
You can definitely touch it with your mouse click. Right, let's move on to the next bit. And we start this week roundup of events with an exciting event organized by Appfire. Join this upcoming webinar on October 26th, titled How to Migrate Without Breaking Things. Led by experts Ed Gale and Kelsey Lamastris, this informative session is designed to help businesses seamlessly migrate away from Atlassian Server while preserving customization and data integrity. This event is crucial for business owners, IT managers, project managers, Jira administrators, and anyone involved in platform migration. Attendees will also learn efficient migration strategies, how to minimize disruption, safeguard data, maintain productivity, and leverage tools like Jira Cloud Migration Assistant and Configuration Manager for Jira. So if you want to simplify your migration process with expert insights, join our webinar. Right, so now let's move on. There's quite a few Atlassian organized events you might be interested in this week. Tomorrow, join this webinar and learn about effective product discovery with Jira Product Discovery in a webinar featuring Tanguy Cruson, head of product discovery, feedback collection, idea prioritization, roadmap building, and continuous discovery delivery loop. Ideal to product managers. The webinar offers real life insights. Then on Wednesday at Tech Talk Summits, discover how Jira Service Management benefits software development teams in an Atlassian sponsored webinar on October 25th at 8 a.m. PST. If you register, there's also an on-demand recording if you can't join live. There's also a wealth of partner organized events worth mentioning. For example, ITSMF Sector Spotlight by Adaptavest on October 24th, tomorrow, covers ITSM in financial services, including cloud-based ITIL and agile practices. And a second one, Migration Maverick, Expert Strategies and Battle-Tested Insights by Codegeist on October 25th, discusses the challenges and strategies for migrating from Atlassian Server to Atlassian Cloud. And here's a couple of community events happening this week. For example, a virtual event in Temecula Valley in USA happening today, Atlassian Security Backup Best Practices for Data Protection. And the second is another virtual event in Nuremberg tomorrow. K15T shares insights on transitioning to Jira Cloud. And that's about it for a lot of things happening. Just trying to go as fast as possible to give you some examples, but as always, go to Goosely to see everything that's happening. It's very hard for us to compress in Monday Coffee absolutely everything, so I try to go to this super fast.
Yeah, the Jira Product Discovery event sounds really, really interesting, so definitely recommend joining that one. Well, I have an early access program to talk about. Jira is launching an early access program for a revamped email notification system. Jira Software Cloud admins can now try this new feature, offering more detailed email settings for better control over issue notifications to reduce email clutter. The older admin tool will be removed and interactions via APIs won't work during the early access program, so just keep that in mind before you sign up. And if you're interested, you can sign up via the link in the community post, so check it out. Jira email notifications were always a big problem, so this is kind of like a step towards decluttering your email and making it more useful, so definitely interesting to see this new early access program out, and I can't wait to see the actual feature in Jira afterwards, after the feedback.
But that's not the first step that they've done. They had another.
Yes, definitely. There was a Confluence Daily Digest that we were talking about, I think somewhere this year or last year. That's quite useful. But yeah, a lot of steps being taken towards making notifications in emails useful.
That's what we like to hear and want. Let's move on to Compass. Big news about Compass. The developer portal has transitioned into general availability, offering valuable insights into developer experience. The beta users that signed up before October 5th will continue to enjoy free access until March 31st, 2024. The platform is now available in free and standard plans with a free catalog for all users. Compass streamlines developer processes and offers data retention and support. It seeks to enhance Atlassian's tools compatibility and extend its use cases, making it an integral part of the developer workflow. If you haven't tried it yet, you can sign up now to experience the benefits of this awesome dev platform.
It feels like yesterday when Compass was launched to the Point A program, and now it's in general availability. Congratulations to the team. That's really good progress. Well, shall we move to the article of the week?
Let's go. I'm ready.
Yes. So this one is really interesting. It's about the community growth at Atlassian. It's very, very detailed article. So I'm just doing a quick intro, but if you're interested in a community and how that works at Atlassian, definitely have a look and read it out. So what's special about Atlassian's customer-focused approach is that they prioritize creating high-quality products that users want to talk about and share. This has enabled them to keep marketing costs very, very low, and they as well adopted a unique self-service sales model offering clear pricing without negotiations. But when it comes to user-centric approach, Atlassian has seen unprecedented growth thanks to its user and partner community. This article is an in-depth analysis of how Atlassian community works and its impact on the Atlassian business. So it has all the details basically about what different activities and what's the structure in the community and how that exactly works and what they're using, for example, the gamification programs to keep the engagement high and so on. So definitely very useful. Very long article. It took me like 1 hour to chew through it, but definitely interesting if you're into community and the growth.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely into that. So I need to give it a read.
Yes.
It's mandatory. It's a must.
Yes, and that's about it for this week's Monday Coffee with Appfire. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy to be back. For you not to miss the latest and greatest from the Atlassian ecosystem, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Monday Coffee by Appfire, and you can also find us on LinkedIn.
Thank you so much for coming back.
You're so happy.
I'm so happy. I feel like I was struggling with the little demons in this house.
Demons? The dogs. Okay.
Yes. Thank you for coming back.
Yes, I'm back now. Well, see you next week.
See you next week. Bye.